Here's a sneak peek at the custom color I mixed for making soap with a new fragrance, brown sugar and fig. Hi soapy friends, it's Steph from Micas and More. Here's the inspiration pick from my new fragrance oil, brown sugar and fig. Let's make soap. First I mix the lye water with the melted oils. Then I stick blend until it reaches a light trace. I add the fragrance next. Brown sugar and fig type fragrance oil combines fresh fig and sweet brown sugar with notes of maple and orchid with a musk and sandalwood base. I stir in the fragrance oil by hand. My first color is bronze satin mica. And now I'm mixing up a custom color I'm calling orchid using equal parts of lavender mica and soft pink mica. The base is white satin mica. The orchid goes in first, and then I'll lighten it progressively with some white satin mica. I'll do the same thing with the bronze satin mica. Most of the white satin mica goes in next. And now a hanger swirl with my gear tie. A little more soap goes on top. And I'll start one of the many designs that I tried on the top of this soap. I'll add some dry gold shimmer mica on top with a paintbrush. Then I textured the top with a stir stick. I wasn't happy with how that turned out, so I used some leftover white and tried again. It still needed a little more sparkle, so I added some gold shimmer mica in oil. One last look before I put this one to bed. And here's the cut soap. To get the supplies used here, you can order online anytime. You can also join my Facebook group, Steph's Micas and More, to share your picks. Thanks for watching!